I find that one of the hardest things when it comes to being a new investor is knowing what resources and what news to trust, especially when you see headlines like this. And yes, I'm whispering, but we're at Greensboro, Georgia for Thanksgiving and the house is full and I'm hiding out in the bedroom making this video now. Let me show you something. So you go onto a website like CNBC and it appears as if I've turned on the flash and I don't know how to turn it off while I'm filming, so you're just gonna have to deal. And oh geez, there's that Jim Cramer again. You scroll down, and what do we see? We see an article right here that says, bad news for Black Friday. Retailers cast doubt on holiday shopping with a cautious guidance. And the very next thing you see is, Dow rises more than 100 points as markets head into the Thanksgiving holiday. So, bad news first. We see here that they say that there's a dark cloud hanging over Black Friday. A slew of retailers have issued tepid, cautious, or downright disappointing news or fourth quarter outlooks, including luxury goods like Tapestry to big boxes like BJ's. But what we want to talk about today, and I think I've accidentally also changed the filter. I don't know how to use CapCut, okay? Give me a break. So the men's underwear index basically states that as men spend less and less money on underwear, it indicates a possible recession. There's probably a statistic somewhere about how often the men's underwear index is an accurate predictor of recessions, but I'm too lazy to Google that right now. But what does that have to do with Black Friday? Well, in that article that we were just reading, let me just show you. Hanes brand said that demand is simply drying up for basic shirt, socks, and underwear. But the big question always remains, what does this mean for you, the retail investor? Really, I say this a million, billion, trillion, gazillion times. And I say it so much because I mean it. All it means is if you're a long-term investor in high-quality stocks, index funds, dividend stocks, real estate investment trusts, high quality, stay the course. Don't panic. Don't feed into this news, right? Look what we just saw. 2 headlines, one good, one bad on the same website on the same day. So don't stress yourself out. Don't worry, oh my God, my investments. You're not here to invest for the next day, week, or even month. You're here to invest for the next decade, 2 decades, 3 decades. So don't panic. Stay the course. Tune out the noise.